Hello guys, how are you all? I hope you are fine. May God bless you all. Welcome to my channel. Acne is a common skin condition affecting many youngsters and teenagers these days. It can often be treated with simple lifestyle modifications such as avoiding oily and processed food, staying active, and maintaining hygiene. However, we frequently neglect these essential activities and indulge in those that contribute to acne, such as eating junk food, being inactive, or forgetting to set aside time for self-care. Self-care is important if you want to have clear skin free from acne. Acne occurs when oil and dead skin cells clog hair follicles, resulting in blackheads, pus-filled pimples, or red, sensitive bumps. Today, I am going to share 3 top face packs for acne. These packs have natural ingredients that will instantly work on acne and help you get clear, glowing skin. 1 activated charcoal face pack. Combine 1 teaspoon activated charcoal powder, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel, and 1 drop of tea tree oil. Apply the mixture to your face in a circular motion for 1 minute. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This pack detoxifies the skin, clears clogged pores, and reduces dark spots. Aloe vera gel nourishes and moisturizes the skin, while tea tree oil calms redness, swelling, and inflammation. 2 rice flour face pack. Mix 2 teaspoons rice flour, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon honey. Apply the paste to your face and neck in a circular motion. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Then wash with water and dry gently. Rice flour brightens the skin, reduces pigmentation, and promotes new cell production. Lemon juice targets acne-prone areas, dries out excess oil, and lightens acne marks. Honey balances skin bacteria, improves healing, and keeps the skin soft and hydrated. 3 orange peel face pack. Combine 1 teaspoon orange peel powder and 2 teaspoons rose water. Apply the paste to your face and neck. Let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Orange peel powder, rich in vitamin C, boosts collagen and elastin production, fights acne-causing germs, and reduces excess oil. Rose water has antiseptic properties, maintains the skin's pH balance, gently cleanses, and tightens pores. Try these face packs to achieve clear, glowing, acne-free skin. By following these steps thoughtfully, you can achieve the best skin for yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and give me a thumbs up. This gives us even more courage to make better videos in the future. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care of yourself, take care of your family and people around you, and spread love. Goodbye.